Hey guys, what is up? I'm gonna be unboxing the... Guess what it is? Guess? Leave what you guess down in the comment section below. And it is this. Say hi, Lollipie. Say hi to Lollipie.
Hi.
So, it is an infinity cube. So, let's open it. Sorry from the noise. I'll just turn that off. Or here. I'll hold this like this. And it will come out of the package, okay? Okay. So we have the infinity cube out of the package. It's this toy that how to use it. So it comes out of the package like this, and you fold this right here and this right here, and then go on this side and do this, and then fold these two like this, fold this right here and this right here, and then fold it like this, and keep doing that. You can make certain shapes out of it, like this one, or this one, or this one. It's pretty cool. It shows on the side of the box some shapes you can make out of it. Shows a picture of it right here, and the product would be in here. It's called the Infinity Cube. It's a fidget toy. I think it's made from the same company that made fidget spinners. Well, so that's the Infinity Cube unboxing video. Well, Ollie Pie, say bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, guys. Peace 100.